Hello, cat aspirants. So hope you are doing well. So here we have means another VA question refer to the jumble sentence best. So we call this as a para-jumbled questions or para-formation question or para-completion, not para-completion. So ordering of the sentence, isn't it? So look into it. The direction for this question is what? Now we need to arrange the following sentences to construct a coherent paragraph, right? Let's look into this. This is a kind of a question structure where you will find out either four sentences or five sentences or parts of sentences. Now, this one covers the five sentences. Uh, now, look into the first sentence. What does it say? The exploration of outer space has captured the imagination of humanity for centuries with a continuous quest that's called as a search to understand the vastness beyond our planet. Second, critics argue that space exploration consumes significant resources that could be allocated to address pressing issues on Earth, such as poverty and climate change. Then, third, which we find out that advocates, on the other hand, emphasize the scientific advancements, technological innovations, and you can say potential for future planetary colonization that arise from space exploration. So, and the fourth one, despite the divergent opinions, space agencies worldwide continue to launch missions, sending probes, uh, rovers, and also telescopes to gather data and expand our knowledge of the cosmos. The fifth one, the debate surrounding the value of space exploration reflects broader discussions about the balance between scientific curiosity and addressing immediate challenges on our home planet. Now, you find out that all these sentences have been pointed here. Now, we need to find out which option would be means uh, which option will be the introductory sentence, which option will be the concluding sentence. So all such kind of a things we need to observe. Let's see that. So we understood that the task is to arrange the given sentences to construct a coherent paragraph. And the options are the sequence of the five uh, numbers or five alphabetical letters representing the sentences. Now see, now if I go for this the first statement, what does it say? It says that the exploration of outer space has captured the imagination of humanity for centuries with a continuous quest to understand the vastness beyond our planet. So, sentence one serves as an what? You can say that introductory statement, isn't it? Introductory statement, introductory statement. And why introductory statement? Because it acknowledges the historical fascination or attraction with space exploration and humanity's continuous search to understand the universe beyond Earth, isn't it? Now that's why we consider that it is an introductory statement. But let's see that option B. So, option B stated critics argue that space exploration consumes significant resources that could be allocated to address pressing issues on Earth, such as poverty and climate change. Now, sentence 2 logically follows also. Logically follows whom? Logically follows sentence 1 as it introduces a, you can say that counter argument, or you can say that critic, isn't it? Critic. So, critic argue that space exploration consumes significant resources that could be better utilized to address pressing issues on Earth, such as you can talk about the example like poverty and climate change, which have been pointed, isn't it? So, next, so in that case, we can find out option A, B can be called as a pair. Now, look into the C. What does C say? Uh, Now, if you look into this one, generally, if I talk about this A and B, we find out B is B sentence presents an opposing viewpoint, adding depth to the discussion, right? Then sentence C, or called as a 3, presents another perspective by introducing advocates of space exploration, right? Because you are talking about the exploration of outer space, right? And if you talk about sentence 2 and sentence 3 or sentence C, presents another perspective by introducing advocates of space exploration, because it says that advocates on the other hand, right, on the one hand and on the other hand, so emphasize the scientific advancement, technological innovation, and potential for future planetary colonization that arise from space exploration. So on the basis of that, this sentence provide balance to the paragraph by highlighting the benefits and positive outcome, benefit and positive outcome associated with the what? Associated with the space exploration, isn't it? So, uh, at the same time, if I talk about sentence D, right? So that follows sentence C, as it describes the continuous or continued effort of space agency worldwide to launch mission, because it is stated, no, despite the divergent of opinions, space agency worldwide continue to launch missions, sending probe rovers and telescope to gather data and expand our knowledge of the cosmos. So, what does it say? Despite the divergent opinions. So, in that case, if I talk about sentence D, that follows sentence C, as it describes the continued efforts of space agency worldwide to launch mission despite the debates and different opinions. So you can also find out it emphasizes the ongoing commitment to expanding our knowledge of the cosmos through the deployment of probes, rovers, and telescopes, isn't it? So, on the basis of that, we can say C and D also pair. So the last one, sentence E, stated what? The debate surrounding the value of space exploration reflects broader discussion about the balance between scientific curiosity and addressing immediate challenges on our home planet. So sentence 5 or sentence E concludes the paragraph by contextualizing the what? Contextualizing. Contextualizing what? Contextualizing the debate surrounding space exploration within broader discussion about the balance between, you can say that, scientific curiosity, and addressing immediate challenges on Earth, right? So it suggests that the value of space exploration reflect deeper deeper consideration about the priority and goals of humanity. Therefore, you can say, means the sequence is as it is. So what is that? A, B, C, D, E, right? Creates a coherent paragraph that explores the multifaceted nature of the debate surrounding space exploration, encompassing different perspectives and arguments. So hence you can consider the answer should be A, B, C, D, E, or you can talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you understood the text or the question and its answer. That's all. Thank you.